Hey, let me show you how you can change bands on the Galaxy Fit from the Samsung. So that's quite simple. All you have to do is just to rotate your device. And now, oopsie, when you take a look at the bottom, we can actually find this place and this place. This is actually the places where we have to actually input something. I can recommend you to use, for example, your fingernails. So here with your fingernail, click and hold it. And now try to detach right and the left band. Do the same for this one. Input your fingernail and now try to take it off. And that's how it works. Quite simple, right? And to put it back, we have to just do this like this, in this position. Take a look. And the same for this one. It's actually super simple. I was using like Redmi Watch 3 Active, Redmi Watch 4, and the smartband 8 Pro, but on the Galaxy Fit 3 it's actually really easy to change the straps. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.